Hello, friend. It's been a while. I know why you're here. You're tired of the simulation. You're tired of clicking on pretty blue folders and dragging files into the trash can like a good little employee. They built a user interface to make you feel comfortable, a graphical pacifier. Apple calls it Finder. Microsoft calls it Explorer. It's designed to make you feel like you're in control, like you're the captain of the ship. But you're not the captain. You're a tourist. And the map they gave you, it's rigged. It doesn't show you the alleys. It doesn't show you the sewers. It only shows you the gift shop. If you want to know where you really are, you have to turn the lights off. You have to stop looking and start reading. Let's find out where the bodies are buried. The operating system is a lie. It's a metaphor layered on top of a metaphor. They tell you your files are on a desktop. A desktop. It's a skeuomorph, a relic from the 1980s designed to make office drones feel at home. There is no desk. There are no folders. There are only directories, addresses in memory. When you open a terminal, you are stripping away the wallpaper. You are standing in the naked framework of the machine. But the first thing you feel is panic because there are no icons, no signposts, just a prompt. You're blind. You've been dropped into the middle of a labyrinth without a compass. The system wants you to be afraid. It wants you to close the window and go back to the Finder, back to safety. Don't. The fear means you're close to the truth. To navigate the dark, you need to learn the language of the blind. You need a sonar ping. Command number 1, the existential query, PWD, print working directory. It's not just a command, it's a philosophical stance. Where the hell am I? The absolute path. Look at the syntax, the /. That is the root, the Big Bang, the beginning of the file system. Everything starts there. If you delete the root, the universe collapses. Then users, a directory containing the souls of everyone who touches this machine. Then Sam, that's you, or at least the identity you've assumed. Now look at the prompt again. The tilde, the squiggly line. It's shorthand, it's a variable. In the shell, tilde equals users/your name. It's the system's way of saying home. But don't get sentimental. It's just a box they gave you to store your cat photos and your tax returns. So you know where you are. Now you need to know what's in the room with you. You need eyes. Command number 2, LS, list, short for list segments. It shows you the furniture, the visible world. See that? They match. The terminal shows you the text, the Finder shows you the icon. It's the same data presented 2 different ways. One is for the consumer, one is for the architect. But LS is a liar. It's lying to you by omission. It's only showing you what it thinks you're cleared to see. Every system has secrets. Every directory has shadows. The Finder hides files from you. It thinks you're too stupid to handle them, or too dangerous. Files that start with a dot. We need to force the system to confess. We need the flag, the modifier, LS-LA. Look at that. The chaos beneath the order. .ds store, the desktop services store, a file created by the Finder to track the position of your icons. The system is watching how you arrange your furniture. It's metadata on your behavior. .bash history or .zsh history, a record of every command you've ever typed, a paper trail. They hide these files because they are the gears of the machine. Configuration files, SSH keys, identity tokens. If you use the Finder, you are walking through a movie set. You see the building fronts, the painted facades. When you use ls-la, you are walking backstage. You see the ropes, the pulleys, the duct tape holding the reality together. The dot prefix is the cloak of invisibility. If you name a file .secret, it vanishes, poof, gone. But in the terminal, nothing hides from us. PWD to find your coordinates, LS to see the illusion, LS-LA to see the reality. These aren't just letters, they are your sensory organs in the digital world. Without them, you are numb. You are floating in the ether, trusting a corporation to guide you to shore. Stop trusting the icons. Stop trusting the map they gave you. Open the terminal, type PWD, look at the path, realize that tilde isn't just a shortcut, it's the only space in this digital universe that you actually own. Defend it.